Hey, Ann here with Nurtured Noggins. So yesterday I talked a little bit about boxes and the things that you can do with boxes, but I'd like to just add a little addendum to that one, and that's the packing materials that come inside your boxes. This is just an example of, something that came in a box recently at our house, and this just, this almost egg carton-like material is really good for kids to play with. You can imagine that there's a lot of different things that you could do with some material like this. But keep what comes inside the boxes and let your kids play with it. Of course, packing peanuts are tons of fun. Bubble wrap is lots of fun. Those air pocket bubbles, just letting kids pop those would be really fun. I like to pop those things. And then this came in a package that we got, and this is just big brown paper. But what I would do with this, if I had a kid in my house, is I would tape this paper to our coffee table and put out some markers or crayons and let them just go at it. Another idea for if you have large pieces of paper, and you could also use your Christmas wrap and any kind of rolls of paper that you have. If you don't want to use the printed side, just turn it over. Oftentimes there's white on the other side, or a grid on the other side that would be fine for kids. But anyways, if you'll put this on the wall, then children can stand at the wall and use a lateral movement to draw, which is a totally different set of muscles and coordination for writing this away versus writing this away. And so those are just some ideas on things that you can do with the trash around your house.